Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in or sign in into your MySynchrony application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and click on the search bar and search for MySynchrony, just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the application, download and install it onto your mobile device and click on open. Once you've done that, your application is going to launch just like that. And now in order for you to go ahead and log in or sign in, just tap on this sign in button right over here. And finally, it's going to go ahead and ask you for your email or account name right over here. Once you go ahead and enter your account name right over here, you can just, for example, let's say Adam's Furniture, and you want to go ahead and enter the details that they ask you for. So go ahead and enter your account number, then go ahead and enter your password, and that is going to be it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.